Today we will be covering pattern and the principles of design. While the elements of art are what artists use to make art, the principles of design are what artists use to make art pretty. We briefly mentioned pattern before whenever we talked about rhythm, how we said that rhythm could be in a pattern, but it didn't have to be. A rhythm is something that happens right on cue, and you can imagine where the next one is going to happen. A pattern, on the other hand, doesn't fall in that same category. A pattern is just the same thing repeated over and over and over and over again.
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
This is an example of pattern, and this is pattern using squares and rectangles. You can see that they're not in a rhythm. It doesn't have to be in a rhythm to be a pattern. You can just have the same thing being placed all over the place. You can also see that it's not the same color either. It's just the rectangles and squares is a pattern. Same thing with this MC Escher optical illusion. It is repetitive staircases. It's a pattern. A pattern is the same thing over and over and over again. Doesn't have to be in a rhythm, doesn't have to be in a specific order. It's just the same thing being shown over and over and over and over again. Today's lesson, you are going to be creating your very own artwork that shows pattern. You are free to look up references online and sources so you can create your artwork. You are not allowed to copy off your neighbor, and you are not allowed to plagiarize anything you see online. Looking up references is not directly copying them. Do not steal things you find online. Instead, use them for inspiration to be able to create your own artwork. Thank you all very much. I hope that you found this lesson helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.